Hello to everyone, I will show you how to make easy animation in After Effects. We need just one text layer. We will make an easy animation with line spacing, and then using motion tile we will duplicate it to fill all our composition with this text, and then duplicate this text composition and move it to fill again to fill all our composition. So then to reach this 3D effect we will play just a little bit with opacity of the first layer, and to move the case right to make this effect that one layer smooths after another. Then that's all I want to show you. Okay, project, delete all I have and create new composition. This is good for our text layer, so create new text layer. My phrase is nobody's better than anyone else. Nobody's better than anyone else. Play just a little bit with the typography, made this phrase bigger and move it here, and this phrase bigger again. Okay, and let's go to the animate to put our text align to the center. Animate text spacing, line spacing, and set first key, and move all the text to the left, and on the second move to the right. And then Ctrl C this K, duplicate it, and then duplicate the first K. So we have our text moving to the right, then stand. I think not so long, but then move to the left. So we have cycling dynamic of moving, and we need just to work with the easy ease of this case. Let's go to the edit speed graph and make this case easy ease, and this too easy ease. Play with handles. Okay, this dynamic is good, and let's create new composition. 1000 and 1000, it's good for Instagram, and put our text composition to this new composition, and let's go to motion tile. Made it 20 and 20, and output 8. Yes, that's what I need. Okay, at this and then we need to animate face, so set the first key, and then made it 3 times, but not vertical, horizontal shift, F9 to make this case easier. And I need to work with this case to make our composition better. The dynamic of animation should be slower, and be careful with this dynamic. Okay, let's animate tile 8 30, not 30, and to 30. Made this case easy ease, F9. If you want to work with them in a speed editor. Okay, let's duplicate this text layer and move it just a little bit to the left, so we fill all our composition with this text. The animation of the second text, I need to create a new case for position, because we need to move it just a little bit to the left. Okay, is for case. Okay, and with first layer, let's make this case moves after the second layer. Okay, and play just a little bit with transparency, opacity. So first 100 at the beginning, and then 50, and in the end again 100. Okay, that dynamic is better, but if you want to work on this dynamic, it's up to you. But that's all I want to show you. I need more of your likes, so I will show you more my After Effects lessons. And now thank you for watching. See you next time.